Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about the DIY vlog setup under 100 bucks. That's what it's all about. I mean, you can stripe down a lot of stuff which you do not need. Basically, you do not need a Rode Video Micro. You can actually use other stuff, but I'm going to show you how I build my vlogging setup so that I can shoot with my phone, for long hours, like time lapses and everything. And we are going to discuss this thing today in the channel right now. So the cold shoe mount or the bracket can be found. This is like an L bracket, as you can see. So the L bracket is very important because this gives you a grip so that you can hold it around and you can actually, like pan your shots, move your shots and stuff like that. On the top of the brackets, there are two places that you can put your microphone and your video light. So I think this is the most important piece of this whole rig that we are going to set it up right now. And it's fairly cheap. It's only $9 over Amazon. You can buy this for like 9 or 10 bucks. I think this is the most important part of the whole equipment because the Rode Video Micro is actually kind of expensive. I used to have this from my old shoots, so I actually used one of these guys. If you guys are wondering how much it is, well, it's a bit costly because I think Rode makes the best possible video lights right now. Their microphone quality is good, so that's the reason I would trust a Rode microphone. But if you're in a controlled environment, you can always use the iPhone's headphones. Even their microphone is pretty awesome, insane. So this, I think, is kind of an optional equipment. But if you are taking your audience seriously, or if you're taking your whole vlogging setup seriously, you do need this Rode Video Micro. Highly recommended. I know it's a bit costly, but highly recommended is the microphone. Okay, so our third piece of equipment is our our video light. So this is by a company called Insignia, but I think you can find these LED lights for pretty darn cheap. These are like 15-20 bucks over the online. Like these are 64 LED lights. 64 LED lights actually is pretty good enough, I think. So I don't think you need anything extra. There are some video lights which I am using right now. This light, which is on the top, giving light on this one, it is a rechargeable light. So I would highly recommend you guys not to get the 4AA version, but a rechargeable version, which means that you can get around about 2.5 hours of runtime on those video lights if you are vlogging for long hours. So Joby Grip-Tight Mount Pro is one of my favorite equipments when it comes to the whole setup. Why? Because as you can see in this Grip-Tight Mount Pro, it actually has like a tube orientation, so you can actually vlog in portrait orientation like this, and you can put your phone like this, or you can actually vlog in the landscape orientation. Now if you are doing Instagram vlogs are usually like this, so it's in a portrait orientation. But if you're doing vlogging for your YouTube channel or anything, or you're shooting for a YouTube channel or anything, landscape orientation is what recommended. I love this piece because this is completely adjustable, so basically you can adjust this at any way you want. At the back of this Joby Tight Mount Pro, good thing is that there is a 1/4-inch thread, which means that it will fit your tripods or anything if you want to use your tripod for your vlogging setup. So this is one of my most recommended equipment in this whole setup. If you guys don't want to use this, it's kind of expensive. It's $29. You can buy another stuff for like 5-10 bucks cheap on Amazon, and use that one as just to clamp on your phone like this. So just clamps on your phone. So you don't need a lot of cable ties. You only need 2 of these cable ties, and I will show you why you need them. To be very frank, you need those cable ties just to zip lock everything, make sure everything's secure. You can get this for $1. Okay, this is again optional. I bought this mini power bank because if you see properly, it actually will go underneath my bracket. So I bought this mini power bank just to custom fit my bracket, and you will face the direction on the opposite side. So you can actually plug in your iPhone, or you can plug in your Androids or anything. So I think this is if you're shooting for longer hours and you do not have enough juice. I always keep this as a backup to charge my phones or anything, because I usually receive calls on my phone also. Well, this is for those unfortunately proud owners of iPhone 10. If you're having an iPhone 10, this is the tiny piece that you need your connect via Rode video microphone to your iPhone. So if you guys do not know where it is located, let me show you, because a lot of people are asking me this question, like, where is this located? I mean, like, they cannot find it, they're spending $10. It actually comes in your iPhone box. I'm going to show you where it is. So for example, if this is your iPhone, you open up the box, and when you open up the box, you get something like this, right? So you open up all these manuals and stuff like that. So inside it, you will find your, power brick, and you'll find headphones. Now at the back of the headphones is where this thing is located. I don't know whether you guys can see or not. It is going to be located at the back of these headphones. So make sure you guys are checking it out whenever you're taking your headphones out. It is usually located at the back. Okay guys, now let's begin joining all the pieces. And so first thing is that you zip tie this thing to your bracket. So once you have zip tied this, what you're going to do is that you're going to take your iPhone. So once you have put your iPhone in it, go ahead and put your light. I usually put the light on the top because it makes it easier, because if the light comes up from the top. For effects, you can put it on the side also, so that the light comes from this way. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to attach your microphone. That's like this. I use the the dead cat on this one, just to block any sort of wind or anything. And the third thing that you're going to do is you're going to attach this thing out here, and once it's done, you just take it and you lock it in your, put this in the headphone jack. Once it's done, that's how it looks. So it feels solid. Now you can actually vlog in a very mini setup, but this is total professional. So for example, you turn your stuff on, so you go to your front camera, and you can now actually start vlogging for yourself. Yes, the whole setup is under $100, so that's what you get, guys. That's what you get for $100. So that's for under $100. You are just now started your own vlog setup. You got a power bank, you got your phone with the grip tight mount, you got your Rode microphone, which is a professional quality microphone, and you get a LED light, and everything is set up. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this, just comment on the section, say just leave comments what you think about it. If you think that this video was helpful, just like the video. I'm going to come up with more tutorials very soon. I have got another iPhone tutorial coming up. So thank you guys, thank you for tuning in the channel.